Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Morning.
Yeah. So today we'll discuss about missing authorizations. Okay. Hello.
I can hear you.
Okay. So missing authorizations is a concept. Whenever user get you are not authorized message, you need to execute slash and SU53 in the same screen, and you need to send it to the security team. So that security team will analyze the issue and they will assign the missing authorization to the user. So for that, we have to assign SU53 T code to the user. So normally SU53 is a default T code, which will be assigned to each and every user by default. So we will create one role. 1 second, please. Hello. Yeah. అవును తక్కువే సరిగ్గా ఉంది అవును అవును ఓకే 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 అవునవును అవునవును సరే అండి చెప్పండి నేనే కరెక్ట్ నేనే అనట్లేదు కదా సరే సరే ఓకే చేయండి అతను ఎంత ఇస్తాడు చూసి దాన్ని బట్టి అది తీసుకుంటాను ఓకే. ఆ, ఉమ్, ఓకే. ఉమ్, ఏమవి ఏసీ పీసీఆర్ లేదు ఓన్లీ ఏసీ అని చెప్తాను పీసీఆర్ అసలు అవసరం లేదు ఆ, లేదు నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను లేదు అంటే కావాలన్నా కూడా నాకు తెలియదు ఓకే. సరే సరే ఓకే మామూలు 20 days. ఓకే ఉంది కదా జిఆర్సీ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఉంది లేదా మీ దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ కంపెనీ పెట్టుందా సరే లేకపోతే నేను పంపిస్తాను ఓకే ఓకే యా ఓకే హలో యా సారీ సో
I'm here.
yeah so we'll discuss about missing authorizations. Okay, so for that we create one role. For example, I am assigning one T code and I am assigning another default T code, that is SU53. So in real time, we assign this SU53 to each and every user by default. This SU53 is called as a default T code. Normally we assign that SU53 to each and every user. See now, after assigning T codes, we go to authorizations tab to create authorizations. So these are all like org levels. So give full authorization. Now I am restricting SU01 access to user like to see this is S underscore user underscore GRP. Okay. So here I am providing access to only display. 03 means only display permission. Okay. So activity like say for example, here also provide only display permission. Remove all, create and change, provide only display permission. Provide only display permission. Okay. So is having only display permission. Okay. So now he is having only display permission. Now save and generate the profile. Save it and generate. Now you can assign to one user. Okay. So like we create one user ID. Go to SU01. Create one user ID. So I have created one user ID with password 123456. Now assign that user ID to this role. User underscore em. So make user comparison.
Did you go to the
Yeah.
to assign it to the role? You went to PFCG, right?
To assign role.
To assign the user to the role.
Yeah. See, I have assigned two transaction codes to this role. ME21 to create purchase order, but I have assigned only display permission. Okay. So SU53 is the default T code. Okay. So now user try to create any purchase order, he will get you are not authorized message. Okay. Because we have assigned only display permission to the user. So he cannot create purchase order. Okay. So whenever he try to create purchase order, he will get you are not authorized message. So then he need to execute this SU53 so that he will get the missing authorizations. Okay. So once he get that missing authorization, as a security consultant, we have to analyze the issue and we have to find out the appropriate role for that user and we can assign that role to the user. Okay. See, now user can log on to SAP system, log into SAP system by using his user ID. His user ID is user underscore em and the password is 123456. He need to change his password. I am giving welcome 123. Okay. So you need to execute create purchase order. Like if you right click on the screen and if you go to settings, if you choose this display technical names will be displayed like this. Okay. If you click this ME21N, okay. If you execute ME21N, what it is saying, you are not authorized to use transaction ME21N. Right? Okay. See, whenever he get this message, he need to execute SU53 in the same screen. Okay. So now he need to execute slash and SU53 in the same screen. See here we can find out the missing authorizations of the user. So in this class, in this object class, for this authorization object m underscore best underscore EKO, and for the activity 01, okay. For this field activity, he missed 01, okay. So for this other field, this is the dummy. So that means, so he missed this 01 value for this activity. Okay. So this is authorization check failed. So that you need to send this screenshot to the security team. So you need to send this screenshot to the security team. Yeah, 1 second, please. Hello? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, no. Uh, okay. Um, మండే పెట్టండి. సో నేను ఆమెకి అందుకని S4 యాక్స్ కూడా అడిగున్నాను ఇందాక. మీతోటి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకొని ఇస్తాను. అదే యాక్సెస్, S4 యాక్సెస్. అవునవును, లాస్ట్ టైం ఇచ్చింది అదే అదే ఇవ్వమన్నది. అంటే యూజర్ అది ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది, ఎక్స్పైర్ అయిపోయింది, దాన్ని ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసి ఇచ్చేది. అవునవును, చాలు. అవును, సరే సరే. సండే తీసుకుంది. ఈవినింగ్ ఒక 7 అట్లా. కరెక్ట్. Okay. So here the user is missed 01 for this field activity. Okay. So once he send the screenshot to the security team, so as a security team, we need to go to the SUIM. Okay. As a security team, we need to go to the SUIMT code. Go to roles by complex selection criteria. Okay. So go to the object. Okay. Go to the object. So that object is m underscore best underscore EKO. So go to that m underscore best underscore EKO. Go to entry values. Okay. So for this object, for this field activity, he missed 01 value. Okay. So for this field activity he missed 01. Okay. And the second field is dummy, right? So this AKORG, purchasing organization, this is the dummy. Okay. So this is not required. Purchase organization is not required. So we have to find out roles for the 01 value for the activity field of object m underscore best underscore EKO. So now we have to find out appropriate role, single role only, okay, not composite role. So as per our naming convention, give role star, find out any suitable role. See, according to our naming convention, there is no role. Okay. So if you find out any SAP standard role is there, find out. So there is no role according to that missing authorization. Okay. So for that we have to create a new role and we can assign to that user. Okay. So how we can assign to that user? Go to that same role or create another role, missing one. Me21N. Okay, go to the authorizations.
I'm lost too. I don't understand.
Don't understand? See, we have created one role first, right? So this is, we have created one role, okay? And we have assigned two transactions, okay? Is that okay? Hello?
Yes.
So we have assigned two T codes, MU21N.
Why are we creating the role missing? What's the purpose of the role missing?
Yeah, see. So we have, why we need to create role means we have to assign some authorizations to the user. So role means we assign some authorizations to the user, like we assign some set of permissions to the user through the role. Okay. Say for example, user requested to assign some authorization to create purchase order. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
So we are assigning this T code to the user so that he can create purchase order. Okay. But this SU53 is default T code. We have to assign this SU53 to each and every user. Okay.
Okay.
So now after assigning for these two T codes, we have to create authorizations. Go to authorization. Okay. See, but here we have given only display permission. Okay. 03 means display permission only, not create or not change. He can only display the purchase order. He cannot create, he cannot change the purchase order. Okay. Do you know what is purchase order?
Hello?
Yeah, do you know what is purchase order?
Yes.
Yeah. So here he cannot create purchase order. He cannot change purchase order. He can only display. Okay.
So we're just giving the user the access to display purchase. Is it a business user?
Yes, yes. For business users only, we assign these T codes.
Just to display purchase order?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. But here we assigned only display permission. Okay.
Mm.
But he tried to create purchase order. Okay. We have assigned only display permission, but he tried to create purchase order. Got my point?
Mm.
ME21N is nothing but to create purchase order.
Mm.
So when he tried to create this purchase order, he will get this. He will get this message: you are not authorized to use ME21N because he is having only display permission. Okay.
Mm.
So that is why he got this message. Okay, whenever he got this message, user need to execute this SU53. Okay. So then system will display his missing authorizations because he is missed this value 01. That means create permission. That is why he got that message. System is telling that he missed this 01 value for this field activity. That is why he got that message, you are not authorized. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
clear?
Yeah.
So now he sent this screenshot to the security team. In real time, as a security, we have to provide our support to the business team, right? As a security team member, we have to provide our support to the business user. Okay. So he sent the screenshot to the security team. So that as a security team, we have to analyze and we have to assign this missed value to the user. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
So he missed this 01 value. Okay. If we assign this 01, he can create purchase order. Okay. So now we have to find out there is any role existed in the system with this create permission. Okay. We have to find out there is any role in the system to create purchase order.
Okay.
Okay. To find out that role, I check here through SUIM. I try to find out there is any role available in the system to create purchase order. But there is no role available in the system to create purchase order.
Can you
So,
hold?
pardon?
Hold on.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
I'm back. Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
How did you know there was no role with authorization to create purchase order?
Okay. See here, See, he is missed this value 01. See, check here. Check this screen. Okay, these are all authorization check failed. Here you check this, you observe this heading, authorization check failed. Okay. So authorization check failed for this object class mm_e. In that object class, there is object m_best_equal. Okay. In that object, there is one field activity activity. For that field, 01 value is missed. That is what it is saying. Okay. So this picture is saying authorization check failed for this activity field. Okay. For this value 01. Okay. So according to this picture, this screenshot, I try to get the role here. I have given this object m_best_equal here, and I have given this field activity, and for this activity field, what is the value missed? 01. Okay. So this 01 value I have given here. Okay.
Is this screen the user's profile?
Users.
This rows by complex criteria. What screen is that?
In SUIM. In SUIM is another T code. Okay.
Yeah. So what the swing T code is to? What is that? What is that for?
What is?
The swing T code. What is it used for?
See, this T code is used to find out the suitable roles as per the missing values. Okay, this is the SUIM. So this is the T code SUIM. Okay. If you go to SUIM, okay, this is the SUIM T code. We can come here by executing SUIM. Here we can find out roles by complex selection criteria. That means by giving our selection conditions, we can find out the roles. Okay. So here, by giving these values, I try to find out any role available in the system, but unfortunately there is no role available in the system as per these values. Okay. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
See, as per these values,
So
there is
no rows. No rows has this object, right? Is
yes,
that what?
this object, not this object. With this object and with this value, there is no role for with this value for this
So
field.
this object is for what again? To display or to create purchase order?
Yes, yes,
So there is no row. Okay, so if there was a row, you would have assigned it to the user, right?
yes,
So now you're just trying to find out the row to assign to that user, correct?
yes, yes,
And this object one is to create purchase order
yes,
with a 01 value.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay, good. Got you.
Okay. So now we are unable to find out any available role. So
Mm,
I have to create one new role. Okay.
mm.
And I create a new role and I will assign to that user.
Okay.
So role missing one. So give ME21N. Okay. Create purchase order. Go to the authorizations. These are the arc levels. Give full permission. And here, see if you give, like say for example, see here. Here I have given 01. That means he can create. Okay. See, m underscore best underscore EKG. For this object, I have given 01 now. So I can create purchase order. So now if I execute, if I generate this role, and if I assign this role to user,
Where is the object?
see here, there is object here, no, m underscore best underscore eco.
Oh, was that it? Okay, yeah. Yeah.
See,
Okay.
the same
Okay.
object here,
Mhm.
m underscore best underscore eco. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. See here, same m underscore best underscore eco. Okay. So for this object, this 01 is missed. Okay. For this field activity. So here under this object, m underscore best underscore eco, for this field activity, I have given 01. Okay. So now you can create purchase order. Save and generate. Now you go to the user, assign it to user underscore m. Okay. So do the user comparison. So now user, see, go back. See, this is the user underscore m session. Okay. See, okay. Now he can create purchase order. See, now he select this ME21. See, now he click this ME21 and so before he got error message, you are not authorized. So now he is able to execute ME21N. Okay. So this is some system error. If we execute ME21N here, 21N. So this is not authorization issue. Okay. This is system error. Okay. Internal
What do
kernel
we do
error.
when we get this error?
Yeah, this is the kernel error. So this is not the authorization issue. Okay.
So what do we do when we get this error?
So if we get this error, there is another team, administration team will handle these errors. Okay. So there is basis administration team. So basis administration team will handle these issues. Okay. So in this way, you can find out other missing authorizations. Okay. So through SU53 transaction code. Okay. So SU53 displays last failed authorization check. Okay. Yeah, is it clear? So if you have any questions, please let me know. Hello.
No question.
Okay.
No question.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So why we use SU53?
Mhm.
Okay. So how we can find out roles by using SUIM? Okay.
Okay.
See here, go to like SUIM. Okay. To find out the roles based on based on SU53 screen, go to SUIM T code. Go to SUIM. Here expand roles. Choose roles by complex selection criteria. Okay. So here give the required authorization object. So in our case, this is our required object, m underscore best underscore EKO. Then click on this entry values. So it displays this object field will be displayed like activity and purchasing organization. So we not required purchase organization. We have missed 0 1 value for this activity field. Okay, like this, and we go up. We required only single roles, not composite roles. Remove composite roles, and if you execute now, it displays the available roles in the system as per the our requirement, as per our given requirement. See, now it is showing one role is there. Before it was not showing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, now it is showing one role. This is having 0 1 value for this object and field. Okay. So as per our conditions, okay, for activity field 0 1 value, okay, for this object. Now one role is displaying. Okay. If role is available, it displays. Okay. One role is available, we will assign this role to user so that he will get the missing authorization. Okay. So that is, in that way we can find out the missing authorizations of the users. Okay. Okay, Ifi?
Yes.
Yeah. So like so go through the recording and okay, try to do some practice. Okay.
Okay.
Then if you do some practice, it will be like easy for you to understand. Okay.
Okay.
So then if you have any doubts, even we discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So I will send you this recording.
Hmm.
So go through the recording once again and do the practice. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay then. Thank you. Bye.
Mhm.
Meet you tomorrow at same time.
Yes.
Yeah.